Al, this is your Professor Ian. Welcome to the spring semester at Chafee. This is a short video where I'm going to show you how to use Canvas, specifically how to use the Canvas sites that I set up. So let's take a look. Here, I'm in Canvas right now. Let's go to our dashboard. Over here on the left are a bunch of buttons called, this is called your global navigation bar. If you go to dashboard, this one, it's going to show you all your courses. So, here are the courses that I'm teaching this semester. Yours is going to look different, of course, because you're in the student mode. But let's take a look at this one. I'm just putting the final touches on this course. Let's take a look. On the left, too, you can change your settings. There's a calendar feature. You have your inbox. Very important, there's a student support hub right here. This is where you're going to find access to the Success Center and different counselors and such. So please do check that at the Supports Hub. But let's take a look at a site. So let me put on student view so it looks closer to what you will see. You'll see options here. You'll see Chafee Support Toolkit. If you click that, it'll take you to a link on the Support Hub, which is very useful. Got some go-to FAQ kind of stuff. The OWL at Purdue. This is the best site for technical writing issues, right? Like comma stuff and MLA citation. This is where I go to get clarification on MLA rules and such. And then there are other buttons depending on the course. The most important button, though, is always going to be modules. You can go to announcements to see the announcements that I've posted. They'll also show up in, as I post them, they'll show up here or down below. I think if you're using a cell phone or some other device. You can go to the announcements or the assignments, but all the assignments are also in modules. You can go check out your grades. That's also important. For my English 1A course, we have some embedded tutors, and they have their own area, and I'll have more to say about that for those students. But the most important tab for all of the courses I set up is the modules button. So let's take a look at that. Modules is where I store, where I post all the readings, all the assignments, my overview of what we're doing that week. This is going to be the #1 place you use on my Canvas site. And so let's just take a look. There'll be a week 0 module. This is just course orientation stuff, just stuff to go through to get familiar with Canvas. Some of you have used Canvas a lot. Some of you might be totally new to it. So please do go through this, at least take a look at it. Every week starts with an overview. So it looks something like this. And it's just a list of what we're doing that week, our goals, our aims for the week. I'll usually have a video as well where I just go through it in case you prefer to see a video, right? But I'll have a transcript as well, so you can skip the video if you don't like the sound of my dulcet tones. Then there will be a number of things here, and at the end of every module, there's a link to my office hours. So if you click on there, it'll take you here. You can click on this hyperlink. It'll take you to my Zoom room, which is open Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 1 to 3. I'm just sitting there waiting for people to come and drop by and talk to me. Or I have the Zoom ID here, so you can enter that into Zoom directly if you have it, have the app or whatever on your phone. I'm also available by appointment. So if Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 1 to 3 p.m. doesn't work for you, you can email me. I can set up a different time. I'm available in the evenings. I can make time on the weekend. It's totally fine. Just let me know. And then let's see. So if we go down to a regular week, week 1's a bit different because we're just kind of getting to know the course. Let's see week 2. You can see there's an overview. So it'll be a list of our goals and objectives for the week. You can see a link to my office hour at the end. And then you'll see 2 other things, readings. So these are things I'm expecting you to read that week. And then activities for grades. So these are the things we're doing that week. Links to the different activities that we're doing that week for marks in the course. And then that's what every week basically looks like, readings and activities, right? So there will also be, it might look slightly different with the course you're in, but that's basically what it will look like every week. It's all organized the same way. And then I'll post all the instructions for the major assignments that we do in each course. So in this case, essay #1, all the different parts of essay #1 are linked here. So like I said, the module page is the most important tab in the Canvas courses that I set up. Everything you need is really here in the modules area. if you're in English 1A, you'll also want to use the Pals Corner, and these other links can be useful as well. But really, the main thing you want to pay attention to is the Modules tab. Okay, that's about it for now. I just want to give you a quick overview of how I use Canvas, show you that. If you have any questions, please do email me, let me know, and I can definitely clarify that for you. Thank you very much.